location I told you we were going to be at if this storm was starting to get really bad. And as you can see, nothing. Just a lot of horizontal rain and some wind. Not too bad. Irene. Cloud, not TV, that's for sure. Anyways, the rain is falling straight down. We got all these trees around us, especially the evergreens and hemlocks right behind us. It is 10:30 as of right now, and nothing new has really happened. Just still the heavy rain that we've been getting. That was some heavy rain. Looks like we're getting some pretty big raindrops, if you can see them. They're hitting the camera. And there goes my hood. There goes the hood. Oh, that's gotta be 30 miles an hour. Nah, that's probably only 25 yet. Oh. Took the hood right off. I gotta strap this in. Alright, she's strapped in now. She's ready for go. She's not coming out now. Anyways, back over here. What's surprising is, look what's still here. Yes. This is still here. Not even a hole in the netting. And if you think this is a big hole, oh, let me give you a tale of two stories there. But we're actually going to leave that zipper open because I have a feeling if that zipper closes, it's going to be bad. Now coming back over here to this picnic table, I am not going to be the one to clean this mess up.